In this video, I will show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are trying to use Google Chrome, and you'll find in when you're using the address bar at the top to search for something, as you can see I've got the Yahoo sign coming up, which means it's going to automatically use Yahoo Search. So if you actually want to remove this from Chrome and get back to Google Search, then follow along with me as I guide you through the steps to do this. Now, there's actually two things you need to do to get rid of Yahoo and revert back to Google as the search engine. So what you want to do once you've got Chrome opened is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. And on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. Now, once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this. And from here, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do. First, what you want to do, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto the option which says on startup. And on here, you want to change it to open a specific page or set of pages. Once you've clicked onto that, you're going to see two options come up. What you want to do is click the link here which says add a new page, and that's going to bring up a window like this. Now, in this box, you want to enter www.google.com and then click onto the blue add button. Now, what this means effectively is when you next launch Google Chrome, it's going to automatically open google.com. Once you've done that, what you now want to do is remove Yahoo as the default search engine. So if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto search engine. So in here, you can see Yahoo Search is the one that's currently set to be used. So what you want to do first is click the change button next to this and change it to Google, and then click the blue set as default button. What you can then do if you want is click onto the box underneath, and if you scroll down you can see all the different search engines you can use. But if you look to the right hand side of Yahoo Search, you're going to see three dots, which if you give this a click where it says more actions, you have got the option to delete and remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Give that a click and it's going to come up with a confirmation like this saying, are you sure you want to delete this search engine? Just click onto the blue delete button. As you can see, that's going to go ahead and remove Yahoo Search, and you can see now that Google is going to be the default search engine when we use Chrome. So you'll see now if I actually come across to google.com, and what I'm going to do is just type something into the address bar, you can see we've now got the Google symbol showing up. So anything we search for in the address bar now, it's going to use Google Search. And of course, there's no fear of it switching back to Yahoo because we've actually deleted that search engine from Chrome. So that is how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.